guys, it's me guys, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. So I'm going to reveal my squishies. It's really many, but not kind of many. Yes, English manisuya. Yes. So I'm going to yabunan ako ang mga Bisaya dira pagdanto na maingani, ha? Sorry.
Beat me to it. Get ready with me, Meredith Baxterberry, to do my foundation technique. First, I'm gonna have to put a lot of this stuff on my face. I guess just goes everywhere.
So ito yung ito yung first ko na make. Yes, ito yung first. At ito naman yung second. Ito yung third. Ito yung fourth. Ito yung fifth. Ito yung sixth. Ito yung seventh. Ito yung eighth. Ito yung 9, may melody, Kurumi. Ito yung 8, ito yung, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Ito yung 9, laptop. Medyo wala akong color kasi naubos. Ito yung 10. Kasama partner gyapon din sa Kurumi ice cream. And ito feel ko 11. Ito yung 12. Ito yung 13. Ito yung 14. Ito yung 15. Ito yung 16. Cute, diba? Sigma boy. So, we're going to rate our squishies. Yes, we're going to rate our squishies. We're going to rate our squishies 1 to 10. Oh, ayan. So first, mag-una ako dito sa Wait lang sa washing food. Okay, so I'm back. Kaya nagkuha ko tape. Kaya naguba. Abot na siya ni. Kumaligid ito yung naguba man niya. So guys, natinood gito guys. Di ba nag-post ko yung nga itong Di ba na ko yung ginapost dito na make your phone upside down niya. Ang color letter niya kay purple, di ba? Naka-dark yung background niya. Yeah, pero nakaabot kita 1 million 155 subscribers. So unta makaabot naman po tag 200 subscribers sa man ka. So I really appreciate that guys. I really appreciated that kinds of lots of subscribers. Yes. So thank you po nag-subscribe ako. Unta makaabotag makaabotag 200 subscribers. Gusto lang nako para sa akong para ma-proud sila. Pag daghan ako subscribers. High school, yes. Pag high school ako, gusto ko mag-choir sa PN. Para sa akong kuya, nag-choir siya niya. First place sila gahapon. Gahapon to nag-start ilang ika-9 sila. So, ito na. Ito, yes. Ito is I'm going to rate this 9. Medyo may sira. Medyo may sira konti, pero okay lang. Yes, medyo may sira. So, ito naman yung Lay's chips. Pinatakpan akong sulat. Lay's chips. Sigma boy, Sigma boy, Sigma boy. Yan. Ito, I'll rate this 4. Medyo hindi siya mag mag-make ng sound. Pakinggan nyo. Diba? ASMR lang. At ito naman is ito na lang anuhan ko. Ito it's 10 because if I squish it, it's so really satisfying. Pakinggan nyo. Basa! Sorry po lang sa background. Pinag-drawing ko yun. Oh my God, I'm so tired of school. Washifu. Pag ganyan na lang tayo. Okay. Unsa? Sikat pa! Sorry lang pa. Ito naman is 3. Medyo may sira. Tapos ipag-squish ko, medyo hindi siya bumalik. Pero bumalik siya. Konti lang. Tingnan mo. Anong nangyari dito? Oh my God. At ito naman, 4 din. Medyo hard siya, tas may nakadikit ng kulay brown din sa table ko. Glenn, nabasa ang tubig! Hotdog! Kinabasa man ng tubig. Kaya malamang tubig yun. Tubig isa tubig, liquid isa liquid. Kaya malamang chlorine gid. Chlorine na siya day. Tubig gani pero gibutangan ng chlorine. Ito, 4 to. Ito yung mas nagustuhan ko ito. Medyo silaw. Ang cute, diba? Pak. Ang cute, diba? Ito pa medyo I'll rate this 8. Hard siya pero cute. Very cute. Yes. It's cute. Ilas ko na lang to, ilas. At ito naman, 8 din to. 8. Hard siya. Ang hard niya pero ang BT hard. Pero cute. Naman itong smile niya. At itong laptop, wait lang. Medyo ano siya. Ay no, i-6 ko na lang to kay medyo ang humok niya. Ang humok. Tas yan ang humok lang. Wala akong masagot. Yan lang. At ito naman yung plan. I rate this 9 out of 10 because it's so really It's so really squishy and very satisfying to squish. And yes, I rated 9 because there's a bit spike. I don't really want to make this my weapon. I don't really have a weapon. I only use knife. Char! I'm just joking. I'm not using knife. I don't know how to use a knife. And this. I'll rate this 9. Okay, 9. Boys. 9. Okay, I'll rate this 9 because it's a bit squishy, but it's still hard to squish. Like it's like a bunch of kay malamang water is a water and liquid is a liquid. Kay water man. It's a science da. Washi fu. 9. Okay, 9 na to. That's what you get. At ito naman yung skull. Ay, baliktad. I'll rate this 9. Ay, 8 na lang to. 8. It's a bit sticky. Like, I messed up. I just want to put it in here, but my stupid sister says, "Hey, it's gonna be right." That's right. Look at this. Oh, she draw this? No, I draw this one, but a bit the way. Look, I just wanted to put it here, but I don't know how to put it there. It's a bit. Yes. I'll rate this 9. 8. I have an iPhone. I'm going to rate this 4. It doesn't make any sound, but I bet. Oh! What's my this? I'll rate this. This is one of my best prank in the world because everyone wants a blind bag, so I don't want to mess this up. Yes. Look at this. It's so really washy foo. Pew. Washy foo. Okay, it's gonna be 4. The last one, and this is like so yummy. I don't know what's this called. It's so really yummy, but I think it looks like so yummy. Oh, come on! Oh! Kaya ang English sa tubig, water. Ang Bisaya sa water kay ang butsi mo ay putad ang science teacher ninyo. Alright, this 9. It's so really colorful, but it's a bit hard to squish. And it's this one is it's gonna be 10. It's so really pretty. It's really pretty, guys. It's really pretty.
We have a photographer that's interviewing a doll right now, but he has no idea it's because we're going to be here later.
And this, let me squish it. I put a bit plastic bag in here. It doesn't make any squish. I'll read this one. It doesn't make any squish. I'm so thirsty. Just wait, guys. I'm going to get some water. Alright, guys. I'm back. And this is what my water looks like. It's full of chlorine, but it disappeared now. Look. What is she full? It's clear. I like it.
We have only a little bit more time, so we have to hurry. Sydney, don't getting so much stuff. I'm gonna get Sister Gigi at Target because she's been doing all the painting.
You gotta kind of hurry up. We have a whole room to make over the doll has no idea we're even coming. You're going way too slow.
That was gross.
Whenever I woke up from the coma, everyone was so surprised on the line. They thought I was going to coma for 5 days. Everyone was
Okay.
like, oh yeah, you're going to crash. You're going to coma for 4 days. I didn't believe anyone. I thought I was too busy to get any fast. I really told my brother while I was laying down. I was like,
What's she full? What's she full? What's she full? Whoa! So guys, I hope you enjoy this video. Make sure to click the like button and subscribe. And I'll see you all in the next video. Bye guys! What's she full?